Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lower drum felt seal on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because your dryer is getting excessively hot or it's just really noisy. For this repair, you'll need a putty knife and a 5/8" nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer. It's a GE, and this is what we're going to be using for this repair. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than yours, but the same technique should still apply. So after we've disconnected everything, now we're going to take a putty knife. There are a couple of tabs in here, and using the putty knife, we're going to push in, which will release the tab, just like so. And we can pull the lid up and just set it against the wall like so. So there are two screws holding on the front bulkhead of the dryer. I'm going to use my 5/16" nut driver to remove those screws now. And now that I've got those screws off, I'm going to disconnect these cables here. Now I'm going to remove the bulkhead of the dryer. And to do that, just simply pull it straight out, and then lift it up off of those tabs on the bottom. So the lower felt drum seal is going to be this part right here. It goes pretty much almost all the way around, but not quite. So we can start by peeling it off. And now we're just going to clean up the little bits of felt that are left over, that are still stuck on there, before we apply our new one. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement lower felt drum seal. If you don't have one already, you can find one at our online store. The seal also comes with its own adhesive. So if you take a look at the directions, it also tells you that it wants the surface to be clean and dry, free from oil and grease. Then we're going to coat the surface and let it sit for approximately a minute until it's tacky, and then we'll add the new seal on there after that. So we're going to unscrew the bonding liquid here, and we're going to go along the entire length all the way around the perimeter of the drum seal here. Alright, there we go. Now we'll just let it sit for a minute before we put the seal on. So now that we've let it sit for a minute, I'm going to apply the seal, starting on this end. It doesn't really matter what end you start on. And as I go around, I want to make sure it's nice and flush right up against the edge right here. And there it is, perfect. Alright, so I'm just going to press down on it all the way around again, just to make sure it's on there nice and tight, and make sure that it's got enough adhesive on it so that it sticks properly. And now we'll let it sit for a few minutes more, let the adhesive completely bond to the felt seal, and then we'll put everything back on after it's a bit more dry. Now that we've let our adhesive sit here for a bit, it's dried out, so we can put everything back together. So we'll grab this and turn it around and line everything up here, and let the bulkhead just slide onto those tabs. Make sure everything lines up. If you have to, move the drum a little bit, pull up, but everything should slide back into place. And it creates that nice seal with the drum. And now we can screw it all back together. And now I want to plug these wires back together. There we go. And I'll just hang them right on the side here. So now we can close up the lid. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.